This is Joan of Art and Jaja here. DUGSING. DUGSING is easy to remember. Just remember dog, but it's not a singing dog and it's not about a dog that sings, but it's a playful bonding not only between pets and owners but also between humans. So when you say DUGSING, it's a playful interaction. Could involve tickling, chasing, poking, and gently annoying in a fun way. So that's DUGSING. Like what Jaja is doing right now with me. She likes to DUGSING with me. DUGSING is both a noun and a verb. And the present tense, of course, is naga dugsing, present tense, nagdugsing for past tense, and ma dugsing for future tense. So Jaja right now is nagadugsing with me. Pala, the prefix pala means fond of, so Jaja is naturally pala dugsing. And Jaja knows that whenever I'm seated on this perch right over here, it's time for her to dugsing. Oh. Jaja! So she's so pala dugsing. I never intended to create any video. I was thinking of another word, but because she's doing this dugsing with me, let's talk about DUGSING. So that's our Ilonggo word for today, DUGSING. That's a new word learned today, DUGSING. DUGSING. Just remember dog and sing. This is Joan of Arc and Jaja playing DUGSING. And see you in our next video. Bye-bye for now. Jaja, DUGSING, hala DUGSING, sige DUGSING. And that's people. People. Ah, there they are. They love to DUGSING. All right, guys. All right. All right. Come on, guys. Hi, people.